There are two space heaters downstairs, one in the kid room, which we call the kid cave, and then the other space heater is in the guest bedroom downstairs. They are the exact same, they work the same. So you need to make sure you don't block the front of it. So down here, you want to keep it open for air circulation. You turn it on and then increase or decrease the temperature, and it'll turn itself on and off to keep that temperature. You'll notice that it has a little Wi-Fi. That's so that we can control these from remotely, because people often forget to turn these off. So if you can, please remember that when you're done using it, just hit the power button. The other thing about these space heaters is you technically don't need them. The heating system is all in one zone, and if you set the temperature upstairs on the thermostat and don't use the fireplace, then it'll keep the house pretty regular. The downstairs will be a little bit colder than the upstairs, but it should be fine. The challenge is when somebody uses the fireplace, the heat from the fireplace kind of triggers the thermostat upstairs to say the house is warm enough, and it turns the heat off, and then the downstairs does get pretty cold. So we have these space heaters as sort of backup. But technically, if you don't use the fireplace, you shouldn't need them. But they are here for you to use. Just make sure you keep it open so there's nothing blocking it. And if you can, remember, please turn it off when you're done. All right, thanks.